we're going to make a pesto, and the difference with this pesto is I'm not going to shop to buy herbs, even though it looks like it. I am off to the local woods to pick some stinger nettles. Yes, I'm terrified. Yes, I'm a little bit scared. I think every child has experienced those stinger nettles whacking inside of your legs and having an itchy rash for ages. So this time of year, middle of June, we have found some banging stinger nettles, if that's even a real thing. Stingy stinger nettles. Okay, big brave face. Got my gardening gloves to stop me getting stung. Got a pair of scissors to clip the things. I've got a carry bag to put the nettles in. I'm a little bit scared. So I am going to harvest them carefully. I'm going to go a little bit further back from the edge of the green, just in case any animals will walk past. Wish me luck. So with any pesto, the leaves are the best part, so I am going to trim these stinger nettles off. Stinging nettles collected. Now all we need is some nice hard cheese, some nuts, a bit of olive oil, a bit of seasoning, and some boiling water. Now, of course, you don't have to use nettles in your pesto. You can use basil, which is the most common herb, flat leaf parsley, oregano. You can mix it up and use different herbs and mix and match. Just the same weight of herb as we are using nettles today. I'm using nettles because 1, they're free, 2, they're in season, 3, it's a little bit different, and most importantly 4, they are packed full of loads of nutrients and vitamins. My name's Moreton-Jones, this is Garrett's Kitchen, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are making a stinger nettle pesto. First thing first, just want to thank everyone who subscribed recently and watched my videos. It's super appreciated. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the subscription button down below. Click the little bell, ding ding ding, and you will get notifications of upcoming videos coming soon. My content is me cooking, sharing recipes, easy recipes, good recipes, and skills that I've learned from around the world in Michelin-style restaurants over the past 30 years. If you wait till the end of the video, I'll show you how many vitamins and minerals and nutrients are in stinger nettles. Okay, so here I've got 2 cloves of smoked garlic from the Isle of Wight garlic farm. You don't have to use smoked, you can use normal cloves of garlic, that is fine. But I had it in the fridge, so I'm just going to use some smoked garlic just to add that little extra layer of flavour. Just going to peel those, just going to chop them gently. Carefully wash the stinger nettles. Okay, pan of salted water on for the nettles. I've got a little pan here to toss the nuts off. You can't say that. I'm adding 50 grams of nuts and a little bit of garlic and oil. So the water's boiling now. The nuts are toasted and the garlic's in there as well. So we're going to let the nuts cool down so it doesn't overheat the pesto when we blend it. I'm using tongs for this, I don't want to get stung hands. Right, stinger nettles going in. Okay, stinger nettles are coming out and going into nice cold water. Lots of ice. Sting-free stinger nettles. Okay, now we're going to weigh out 60 grams of blanched squeezed stinger nettles. 50 grams of cheese getting grated down. Okay, so where does pesto get its name from? It gets its name from this. It's a pestle and mortar, and this is what you used originally to smash up the leaves, the nuts and the cheese to make a pesto. But today, instead of using a pestle and mortar, we're going to put it in a blender and blitz it right down so it's a nice smooth paste. Like I said, you can make it nice and chunky if you want it to, so it's great on a steak or grilled piece of fish. If you just chop the garlic up, chop the herbs up roughly, put them into a bowl, add the olive oil, add the grated Parmesan cheese, mix that around, season it up, spoon it straight over grilled fish or meats. Really, really good, and it gives a little bit of texture of like chunky nuts, chunky cheese as well. But today we're going to blitz it. Okay, we've done the next blend. If your pesto isn't moving around the blender in a whirlpool motion, you need to add a little bit more oil or a splash of water. And that's going to help add the liquid to the pesto and get the blades moving it around. So you want a kind of whirlpool, kind of cyclone motion for the pesto, so it goes round and round and round, so all the ingredients are getting chopped really fine and turning it into kind of a puree. That's what we've got here. We've seasoned it up with garlic salt. Let's give it a taste. Okay, so the taste test, as you can see, is vibrant green. Looks good. Tastes incredible. My mouth is not being stung, so we know it's safe. That's really good. I'm going to venture out and say that's one of the best pestos I've ever had. Well worth the try. Okay, to store the pesto, pop it in a clean glass jar and then add some oil to the top to help it keep its colour. Okay, thanks so much for watching. If I looked hot and bothered, this because it's like 30 degrees in the UK today. Remember to please give us a like on the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't for upcoming content. Our next video is going to be Thai spiced mussels with sweet chili sauce, coconut milk, fresh lime juice and coriander. Absolutely delicious, banging recipe. You're going to enjoy it, so please subscribe to make sure you get notified on that one. Take the coriander out if you don't like coriander, because I know some people don't. Thank you so much for watching. Take care now. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video. See you next time. That's Gary's Kitchen out. Take care now. Bye. Happy cooking.
Papa, what is stinging?
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Gary Moreton-Jones. This is Gary's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. It's just so hot. Thanks so much for watching. That was Gary's Kitchen, and today we're doing the seaweed pesto. Seaweed pesto? Oh, that sounds quite nice. I might have to do that. They're hyper good for you. Loads of nutrients. Free. They're free. I should have put a different number on that one. Okay, Moreton-Jones, and this is Gary's Kitchen.